besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mika here, and today we're doing a what's in my bag video. I see these all the time over on TikTok and Instagram, but I want to make a longer version because your girl likes to talk. Get into her, okay? She is heavy, okay? I'm one of those girls that keeps my life in my bag, and you'll see that here today. I probably should have cleaned my bag out first before we did this, so hopefully we're not too shocked about what's up in this thing. Before we get into it, it is a bag from Amazon. It's vegan leather. It's so soft and luxurious. It definitely gives luxury vibes. I feel like it's a dupe of that Brooklyn bag from maybe a softer dupe. Definitely gives hobo bag vibes. I had to have it, so I bought it. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you like curvy girl content, mom content, lifestyle content, all that kind of good stuff. I'm just gonna like pull things out. Let's start with the little side pocket. First things first, TMI, but it is what it is. I get burned so quickly with the sun. I think it's so important to make sure you're using sunscreen. This one's about empty. I probably need to get a new one, but the Super Gloop Unseen Sunscreen, everything. Okay, I live by this. This is a must-have in my bag, so you can reapply after a few hours once it wears off, but this necessity. Okay, so the amount of lip products I have right now is insane, but they all serve different purposes. Okay, so first we have a balm. It is the Clear Pixie Beauty Balm. I love this. It's like a moisturizer every day. I kind of use it like a chapstick, if that makes sense. Next we have my conditioning lip oil from Pixie. This is everything. I just put this on every morning before I leave the house, just to give me a little bit of shine. It conditions your lips as well, so that's always a plus. Right now I have this on. I love this. This is the Plumped AF lip gloss from Lottie. It's got like a slight glitter to it. It's really pretty, really feminine. Go to. And then when I want a little razzle dazzle, I always go with the YSL. I think it's shade 162. It's like a little bit of a darker pink, and it kind of looks a bit nudish. One of my go-to colors for this time of year. It's like, oh, and here we go. Please don't do me. Please do not do me. This is my favorite lip liner. I don't even know if it says the color on it anymore. I think it's 809, SPF 809 from NYX. It's like the perfect brown lip liner. Kind of reminds me of MAC Chestnut, but for half the price. Can't go wrong. Also got some gum because breath needs to be fresh. Hair ties because I'm always losing them, and maybe somebody might need them, so you know, I got you. Usually there's a perfume in here. I switched it to my fall fragrance since fall is basically here. It's Ebony Woods. It's from Zara. Now I heard it was discontinued and they brought it back. I'm not sure if it has the same name, but if it does, go smell it. It's so good. And it lasts all day long, like all day long. I don't even need to carry this in my purse, but it's like just like a little refresher throughout the day. If I wear something else and I feel like it's worn off, throw this thing on. Little roll behind the, get you right. Next we have my AirPods. I use these all the time. I'm surprised at how much I use them. I used to think because they were so big and bulky that I wouldn't want to wear them out, but I feel like they're better than the little AirPods because I feel like I'm gonna lose one at any minute. This is good for like walking or anything like that. AirPod, iPad. Do I really need to explain why I need this? I just have this in here just in case. This is not an everyday in my bag thing, but I do have some edits I'm working on, so I just wanted to bring it with me today. I don't know if you guys know, but your girl is all the way blind. I do have it in contacts now, but I do like to take my glasses with me. These are from Amazon. Very cutesy, very demure, very whatever, you know how to stay and go. Oh, that hurt my eye. Hand cream, because why not? We don't want dry hands. Usually I do have a cuticle oil as well, but I've lost it. I need to order a new one. Without my cuticle oil, they is looking jacked up. Nivea, you ever want to sponsor me? Come through. I cannot live without my Kindle. My goal this year is to read 50 books. I think I'm at like 30 something, so I'm hoping I can get to that by December. We'll see. There's no pressure. I've realized that since having my second baby, it's a bit harder. This goes with me everywhere, especially when I'm on the go. When I can get a little few pages in, I'm finna do it. And then the last thing is my DJI. This one is the old school one. I've had this since before they were cool. Okay, my dad was like hip to what was going on a few years ago and bought me one for my birthday. And I just use it to vlog and stuff like that. Super handy, super cute. Anyways, let me stop chatting. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know what other kind of content y'all want to see, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.